Bonjour! Painting, the most physically exhausting endeavor known to man, woman, child, and goldfish alike. iPad makes things easier. Is it possible to follow a painting tutorial from the paint god himself, Bobby Rossman, with an iPad? Specifically, Brian Pat. I don't know. This is another endeavor to get better at the iPad. So let's give it a shot, shall we? I chose episode 3 from season 4 because together that makes 8. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Can't stop me. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. They're back again. Everybody grab a class and tell your friends. Okay, Bobby, let's get started. Okay, why am I using Adobe Fresco? Because of these things. The live brushes, watercolor and oil. I'm gonna do some watercolor. Start with it. I'm absolutely sure he's not using watercolor. He's getting some titanium blue. He's beating it. Ooh, look at it pour out like that. Amazing. He's using burnt umber. What color do you think that is? Look at that water pour down the canvas. Okay, wait. Hold on, Bobby. I'm trying to keep up. Do you guys like this sky so far? I don't know how I feel about it. If I had to live in the sky, I would want to live right down here in the bottom right area. I'm gonna make a new layer. Then I'm gonna change the paint to oil paint. Is that even legal? Can you do oil paint on top of watercolor? I feel like painting police will come and jack your equipment. It's so cool. I have like a whole easel thing. I feel like I'm really painting along with Bobby. I am ready for my mountain. Okay, here we go. Ready, set. Ooh, it's happening. I did oil paint chunky. Maybe I want like oil paint glaze. Let's try that. Ooh, that's sick. Look at that texture. Yep. Scrape the canvas hard. That's what I'm doing. We're gonna grab the color and pull it. Let me bring this down and see what happens. Yo, my mountains look legit. Maybe. Okay, wait. Hold on, Bobby. I'm gonna name my son Van Dyke Brown. Look at this. He's making a whole marble thing. Can I do that? I feel like there's no way to do that. There might be a way to do that. I should Google that. But we ain't got time. I'm gonna go back to the watercolors. I know, it's crazy. But I made a new layer. I'm gonna choose this one. The splatter. Because I think he's doing some texture. Oh, look at that. Look at that paint detail. That's sick. Okay, let's see what happens. Let me zoom out. Oh, yeah. That looks good if you squint your eyes. Don't look too clearly. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight all the sides that I think should be highlighted. What are we doing, Bob? Ooh, he's gonna... Look at that, that was amazing. Okay, let me try that. I'm using a lot of pressure at the top here. It's my mountain. Make whatever decisions I want. Son, yeah, that looks legit. Dang, nice job. Oh, thank you guys. Just randomly texturizing things. That's how you paint. Ooh, what did he do? He added some blue? That's sick. Let me do that. Whoa, that's so cool. Holy cow. That looks so awesome. Oh, this is like the coolest thing I ever made in my life. All right, hold on. Honestly, I'm really happy how it's coming out right now. I had no idea. Yeah, wait. Let me do some blue. Okay, he's like detailing everything. I don't know how easy it is to put in detail. I'm gonna try a lighter one, see what happens. Looks okay. Don't want that orange though. Yeah, that's the one thing. There's probably a way to do it, but I don't know how to do it. It's like have a marbled, so you have a couple different colors on your brush at once. That would be dope. From far away, this shadow, this thing looks amazing. Go back to the oil. Oil boy, I missed you. I was thinking about you all summer. Oh, are you really? That's so sweet. I don't think it's doing anything. Is it doing anything? Oh yeah, it's like, look what it's doing to the texture. Okay, I don't know how that works. Interesting. Okay, but we need to bring down the mountain much further, I think. That's what his mountain's seemingly doing. Yeah, boy. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I want more snow. I liked making the snow. Ooh, look at it. Whoa, it's doing crazy things, which I don't know if I really want. It's alright, we'll do a little bit more snow here. A lot of snow at the top. Here we go. Less snow at the bottom. That's better. This looks way better. Holy cow. Look at this. Alright, I'm satisfied with this mountain. Looks pretty cool. Doesn't look exactly like his. Also, my friends, I wanted to tell you about Skillshare. Skillshare has thousands of classes covering design and artsy crafty stuff like painting and heaps of other classes to big up your skill set. You can take classes on things like Adobe Fresco, some of these which admittedly I should have taken before attempting this. I'm really interested in this class by Jeanette Liao. It looks like a really good class on making illustrated typography. I might make one that says Brian's a boss. And Skillshare is pretty affordable compared to real life classes. And if you pay for a whole year in advance, it's less than $10 per month. See if you reignite your joy for painting real things, then you can buy the premium account if you'd like. So if you're interested in Skillshare and sharing your skills, well, mostly learning from other people who already have the skills, then you can sign up with this link right here. And because Skillshare wants to be a design champion, a design chicken, eat a Gucci burger, they are offering everybody who signs up with this link 2 months free trial. So definitely go take advantage of that. And I wish you the best of luck upping your skills, my homies. Okay, let's get back to it so we can finish the scene from our man Bob Rouse. I am so happy about my mountains. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. I'm gonna go back to my oil paint brush. I gotta make some happy little trees. What is happening here? This is so cool. Look at this. I'm so excited for this nice valley under this mountain. Oh gosh, he made so many trees so fast. Hold on, Bob, I'm still treeing. Yeah, those are nice trees. Let me see what this oil paint chunky would do. Is that what I want to do? No, I don't want to do that. Whoa, 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 whoa. I gotta catch up. Pause, Bob, pause. Let me go back to watercolor. What color is this, would you say? It's like a gray green. And then to create the curves, I guess I'll just go over it a couple more times in one spot. Should this go under the mountain? I feel like it should. Make this boy a lot bigger. Oh, don't do that. That's huge, dang. Add in some texture. Yep, I have zero idea how to make this texture. Could use some of the other brushes, but who knows, man. Ooh, that could be cool. Do some highlights, parts. Okay, my trees are still there. I think I need to move this guy down below the mountain, see what happens. Probably not what I wanted. Okay, we're gonna leave him above the mountain. All right, I'm at his spot probably. Is it looking good? Not really. Some cad yellow. Okay, I got the lay of the land. Oh snap, look at that, that's amazing. Is this working? Yeah. There we go. Look at this. Oh yeah, drop them in. I don't really know what's going on. That's a better transition, I suppose. Just don't look at the middle area at all. Bob Ross just said son of a gun. Oh, he's making a big tree over here. Yo, that's so fun. Look at that. Just made a tree. Beautiful tree. My friend the tree. Now, just gonna add some texture, I suppose. What? He's making these trees yellow? Holy cow. I don't know if I can do that. Oh yeah, there it is. Van Dyke Brown. My son. Yes, gorgeous. Look at it. Looks exactly like his. Ding! Now there's a huge oak tree that just happened. The huge tree does the whole thing. Oh, that's really cool. Yo, that's sick. Look at this. Look at that. Yes. Oh, I didn't go all the way. Let me do some watercolor. Look at this tree. It's turning out amazing. Yes, look at that tree you just made. Oh man, this guy's making paths into everything. Can't do it. Yeah, I don't have enough treeage to make a path. All right, let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Look, identical. I don't think, I literally think if you put these up next to each other and ask people to say which one's the Bob Ross one and which one's mine, they would know right away. But I think this was good. First attempt. Okay, that was it. I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot about colors in the app. Also about painting things and how we need a knife. They need to make an Apple pencil, and then after that, they need to make an Apple knife. That would make my day. That would be so cool. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, design champions, see you again soon for regularly scheduled content. Bye, guys. Hello. Also, in an effort to fill a little bit of time, I want to introduce you to a few of my plantas. This is Sabrina, the teenage witch, but she's actually a teenage plant. This is Professor Snape, and this one doesn't have a name yet. Leave some comments below as to what we should name it. It's very tall, it's very pointy. I don't know how old it is. Sabrina loves to eat pizza, and Professor Snape surprisingly loves chicken bakes. So they're very happy when they get to go to Costco. These are 3 of my plants. I have about 4 more. I'm trying to get more. So if you have any plants that you don't want, I don't know why you wouldn't want any plants, but if you happen to have any you don't want, you could drop them in Koreatown and I'll find them. Okay, goodbye, my friends. See you soon.